Here, warmly welcome you all in new phase of learning where we are discussing the subject matter and this most subject concerned of the hour. Standstills, lockdowns, paralysis, handicaps of manufacturing sector, witnessing decline in GDP. Global economy is under the pandemic COVID-19 outbreak. So this time we are marking the scenario of disturbed mechanism. So what is the proper mechanism? Let's learn firstly that. The mechanism used to say that the resources marks the limited supply and the wants are unlimited. So the problem of shortage and crisis arises in scarcity. So it marks as choices. आपको adjust करना होगा, आपको compromise करना होगा in order to deliver the best potential. Because every activity of production couldn't satisfy it because available means are limited. So there is three fundamental questions which said to be there: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. So let's check it out. The first phase we will discuss the central problem of the economy, the requirement. Resources best potential delivery have to be addressed, and this answer is just one thing and one only: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. You have to address which good you will going to render in what quantity. So let's check. What to produce? Question answer. A country produces limitized goods because they have to make choices, and these choices have a different set of combination to be available for the production of the goods. You have to mark choice of one and you have to let the other option go. So the first question as a dimension answered what to produce, and then the second question came in acknowledgement is just how much quantity is required. So we have to make choices कि हम क्या बनाएंगे और कितना बनाएंगे. So we can use the best potential of the resources and can satisfy the maximum requirement of the hour. So let's check in physical scholars. Once again, I am gathering you to the chapter number 2 introduction, where we are discussing central problem of economy. Look, the first central problem today we will discuss. So I am hereby sharing with you what to produce. It is the first central problem. But what to produce is just arise due to one concept: classification and classification of goods. First one we have capital goods, and second we have consumer good. Look, this is goods and capital and consumer. Capital goods includes your plant, machine, you can say, I'm writing in short. And consumer goods means your agriculture products, agri commodities. जो हम कंज्यूमर के लिए है, लाइक आप कह सकते हो आपकी एग्री कमोडिटीज नहीं है तो देन यू हैव कार्स, vehicles, you can say automobiles here. मीन्स जो ना आपको फेजेस में इंट्रोड्यूस हो, आप अभी यूज करोगे एंड दे विल केम टू एन एंड. एंड कैपिटल गुड्स आर दोज गुड्स विच ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी स्टे. दे आर ड्यूरेबल प्रोडक्ट्स बेटा. They are durable and they are non-durable. They are durable products and they are non-durable. And then the second question we have to address is their quantity of production. Quantity. Now firstly we will check what we will produce, capital goods or consumer goods. Then we will check in what quantity it is required, and this will be planned. Now check, this is planned as per रिक्वायरमेंट, एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट। अब ये प्लान ही एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट होगी। क्यों? अब इसे एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट क्यों प्लान करना है? बिकॉज रिसोर्स का क्या चाहिए? बेस्ट पोटेंशियल डिलीवर्ड, हमें उसका बेस्ट पोटेंशियल डिलीवरी चाहिए। दैट्स वाई the central problem of the economy for the first phase open with what to produce, because the resources are limited and we have to satisfy each requirement, so we have to address this thing, and this thing says capital. अगर आप capital goods बनाएंगे तो then you will make durable products like plant machinery, you can say equipments. अगर आप consumers based बनाएंगे then you have agri commodities, automobiles. They are non-durable in the case of agri commodities. Here also they are durable, but non-durable ऐसे ज़्यादा होता है क्योंकि हम इस कंज्यूमर के लिए ना बेसिकली एक चीज़ को फोकस करते हैं, essentials. इन दिस फेज ना हम essentials को फोकस कर रहे हैं क्योंकि पेंडेमिक कोविड-19 है. And then if we decided which goods we will produce, then we have to decide the quantity, and this quantity is planned as per the requirement, and then this mark you with the best potential delivered. So hereby with the Zoom board look, I am concluding it for this session. So with a promise to see you again soon. When there is question types of goods which will be manufactured, so then there is accountability towards two segment. One is capital good, which will deliver you the infrastructure, that will deliver you growth, and another is consumer good, capital good. Both are essential. They are like spiral cord and breath of this country and any economy. Capital goods delivers the further production activities. Capital goods are those goods which provide you future growth. They are the goods which will deliver you mechanism for further production, for further growth. एक ऐसा स्रोत है जो आपके आने वाले आगे की भविष्य की नींव रखेगा. And consumer good is the good which will be needed in the present consumption scenario, that will going to met out you and your demand with the satisfaction, and then you will pay for it. It is like a basic facility for standard of living. Hereby scholars, we were discussing economics, and I was discussing with you in previous session for the what to produce. So I have written a good classification too. One is capital based and another is consumer based. So I said that we have limited resource and we have to address both the sides. Why it is so? Check. If we prepare capital goods, this means you will invest huge sum. बहुत सारे पैसे लगाएंगे आप business में. And this capital goods is your plant, machinery. आप कह सकते हो प्लांट, एग्जाम्पल प्लांट प्रोडक्शन का, इंडस्ट्री सेटअप वगैरह टाइप का जो प्लांट का अंदर का फंक्शनिंग होगा वो, दैट विल डिलीवर यू फ्यूचर ग्रोथ, बिकॉज दिस विल गोइंग टू गिव यू टेक्नोलॉजी, डबल टी, T2. या तो टेक्नोलॉजी में एनहांसमेंट होगा, नहीं तो टेक्निक ऑफ प्रोडक्शन में एनहांसमेंट होगा. सो दिस विल डिलीवर यू एड, और यू कैन से एडिशन to GDP. And next is your consumer goods. Why it is important? These are to contributing to GDP. And why this is important? Because these consumer goods raise the standard of living. यानी आपके जीने की सहूलियत को बढ़ाते हैं. Like your television, your automobiles, your daily food items, etc. So it address you with the standard of living, and that delivers the basic facilities. And if these, in order to satisfy this thing ना, we focus on capital goods. कैसे देखिए, अगर आपके यहाँ प्रोडक्शन आप कंज्यूमर गुड्स का हो रहा है, तो देन वी आर राइजिंग द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग. हम उसका ज़्यादा यूटिलाइज करेंगे तो ज़्यादा टेलीविजन्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होगी, ज़्यादा ऑटोमोबाइल्स बनेंगे. तो जब ज़्यादा की डिमांड होगी कंज्यूमर गुड्स की, तो ऑटोमेटिकली नया प्लांट सेटअप होगा, नई मशीनरी के लिए ऑर्डर्स जाएंगे, नई इन्वेस्टमेंट्स होंगी. सो दैट रेजेस द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग ऑल्सो, एंड दीज डिलीवर बेसिक फैसिलिटी बट लेस द ग्राउंड फॉर कैपिटल गुड्स. एंड दीज प्लान्स इन फ्यूचर ग्रोथ. और फ्यूचर ग्रोथ क्यों हो रही है? कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट होगी, तो देन मार्क यू वर्ड टेक्नोलॉजी और टेक्निक अपलिफ्टमेंट, एंड अल्टीमेटली योर कंट्रीज जीडीपी विल राइज. जीडीपी मीन्स ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट, यानी आपकी कंट्री में एक ईयर में होने वाला प्रोडक्शन. इसे हम ऐसा भी कहते हैं, यू कैन लर्न लाइक एनुअल प्रोडक्शन. So hereby warmly welcome you for the next session. With this note, I am concluding it today. In whole sum up, as economics is a subject matter which deals with the economic problem. It is a subject matter which questions the psychological behavior pattern. It is a subject which accounts you to the available resources best utilization. It is the subject which matters for your development. तो एक स्रोत है जो आपके 3 सवालों से जुड़कर बनता है और एक अर्थव्यवस्था की बुनियाद रखता है. So that's first phase is discussed today. So I warmly welcome you in for next phase for how to produce, where we will discuss the technique of production and how it gets selected. So till then, take care and have a nice day.